Hey guys, I'm going to show you my desk setup. Yeah, so here's my mouse. It's whatever this is, Logitech. I don't care about the branding. You know, everyone has a mouse. It works, you know. Do you really need anything super fancy? This is my keyboard. It like lights up. I think that's super cool. This is my monitor. Hope you like my YouTube recommendations. I think they're horrible too. Anyway, this is my PC. You'll see I have a controller there, the little USB thing for my headset. And you can see that it's turned on. You can see the RGB that I can't control. Yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, spacebar, tab, whatever. Okay, you heard that? Okay, now the best part, the chair. This is as generic as office chairs get. You can see that the fake leather has peeled a little bit, but it's still going strong. And yeah, I might have to keep peeling away at that leather. This is my desk. Gotta have warm feet, you know, for those cold days. And yeah, that's a can of something. There's my webcam. There's the laptop I use for school, but that's not a part of my desk setup. Why am I even saying that? There's a periodic table because my major is chemistry. You know, gotta be enthusiastic about what you do. And yeah, that just about does it. Thanks for watching.